Magandang buhay mga kamisi. So ayan, pupunta kami sa museum. Ito ay pupunta tayo. We're going back to Victorian times. Nakadress kami ng ganito mga kamisi. So ito ang aming pupuntahan. Yan, papasok kami dyan mga kamisis. Oh my God, look at that mga kamisis. Dito na kami sa loob.
It was a time of rapid change when working class towns like this one grew overnight.
So ayun mga kamisis, nakapasok na kami. Ito na ang itsura niya. Hindi ako nakapag-film kanina kasi may mga batang pumasok ko dyan sa area na yan. And then, ito ang bank, Lloyd's Bank. Pwede kaming magpapalit ng cash dyan. Ng mga, ano bang tawag doon? Anong tawag doon? Yung mga old Victorian shillings, Victorian coins para makabili kami dito sa may ano ba tawag dito ng pera nila kasi nga parang old town nga ito. So yan, ayan, mukha siyang mga store mga kamisis. Oh, ayan, ganyan itsura niya. And then ayan. So is it look like this before then? Like so ayan.
Yes, except the road would have been.
Kanya na itsura niya mga kamisis.
The road would have been more like that.
Mga lumang bike dati. Honey.
That's not quite a penny farthing because the back wheel's very big. It's a velocipede. £6.15. Where?
There.
Oh yeah.
Is it that? Is it right?
Well, no, it's not £6.15. No.
Shillings.
No.
No.
Look, there's 6.15 0. So it's six. No. Yeah, so it's £6.15 shillings. I think.
But that is very expensive before, isn't it?
Yeah, that was expensive.
Yeah.
Hello.
It's an actual shop. Whitish. Look at this girl. It's very lemonade. Yan, ito yung old dolly pegs nila mga kamisis. So, ganyan itsura. Ano bang tawag dyan sa atin? Nakalimutan ko na. Pero yung ginagamit nila pang laba before. And then this is their soap before. Beeswax. Isn't it?
The furniture and shoes, I think it's for.
For shiny.
I think so.
To shine.
Yeah, I think it's like that.
Then yan, may mga wooden brush sila dyan. Yan. And what is this one? For laundry? Before?
I think so.
Yeah. Then a door wedge. Yan, mga kamisis. Oh, pang labels. Ayan. Shall we go? So, ayan, ito naman ay ang kanilang, what is this one? Chemist? Oh, yeah. Ay, what do you call that? Medicine. Chemist, yeah. Ayan. Tingnan niyo. Mga kamisis. Oh my God. I'm sorry. So, yun, bumili kami ng, what do you call this one?
It's licorice.
It's licorice.
No, not slickerish.
Licorice.
It's licorice.
Yeah, I said it's licorice. So, ayan, tingnan nyo. Because my husband got a mouth ulcer, and then the woman said,
Yeah, but I
can't bite it.
yeah, it's genuinely, it is wood. It's just wood.
Yeah. So yun. Yan. Maybe you can numb your
Oh,
mouth.
it does something.
Numb your mouth. So ayan o. Tingnan nyo yung mga pots and pans before, mga kamisis o. Tingnan nyo o.
Oh, I think it's
Tingnan nyo.
I think it's supposed to just gnaw on it.
So ayan, ito naman ay ang kanilang mga clothes shop. Yeah, clothes shop. Tingnan nyo oh. Ayan oh. Are we going in?
Yeah.
Come on then.
That's your boot maker for cock.
tingnan nyo mga kamisis oh.
Your clothes made. You can't buy clothes, you can buy material.
Oh.
We have got the invention of the sewing machine by 1900, so upstairs will be the seamstresses. So we'll sell you the material and measure you up, and we can now make the clothes for you as well.
Really? What? I mean, even really basic stuff. You know, shirts and.
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah. But the working class will probably be buying second-hand clothes, which a shop like this would also sell their second-hand.
Right. Yeah. Okay.
You know, if you're expecting a baby, something like that.
Tingnan nyo ito mga kamisis oh.
Yeah.
May pegdal dito, yung ipit ng damit. Ayan oh. Yung ipit ng damit. Siguro ito yung mga laruan ng bata dati. Pwede mo siyang gawing doll. Ayan, pupunta kami sa chip shop mga kamisis. Ay! Sorry. So, ayan. Old. So, ayan. Pickled chips. $9.90. Ayan yung price. Yeah. Sausage as well. So, ayan. Punta kami dito. Ayan. Ito ang kanilang bakery before. Ayan. $9.90. And sausage. Ah, we need water. Ay! Don't have water, baby.
Got some in the car.
It's in the car.
Yes.
Yes. So, ayun mga kamisis. Kakain kami ng fish and chips. Ayan. This sausage. Honestly.
Needs more salt. It's a weird batter. It's fried in beef dripping.
What's that amen?
Hmm?
What's this amen?
It's fried in beef dripping.
What is beef dripping? Oh. Oh yes.
You never see the joins in the column, so yeah. Just that one huge column, don't you? Sometimes that were
Yeah.
or stone. A lot of them are stone as well.
What material is this?
Plaster of Paris.
plaster.
Apart from my corbel. Yes, apart from that dusty one there.
Right.
Actually, very dusty. But yeah. I mean, he came from a quarry in Paris, and it was a very high quality gypsum. Only I've got British gypsum, but still get ours from France.
Right.
Just because of all these, really.
Yeah. Have you made All these?
Myself and another lady. Actually, there's a gent that'll be joining us. We're just doing the one day on a Wednesday, but yeah, he'll be coming down in life because he's in the bank today.
Right.
So, yes. Richard. Then there'll be 3 of us in here, but yeah, but I'm in here mainly. But yeah, we do between us. You can make things to your heart's content. It's you have to fettle it when it's there you go, there's that one. Even though this one's been painted, it's so we have to like, put the holes in, smooth it all out, and yeah.
That's nice.
Then drying, that'll be ready. Is it Friday? Probably Monday.
Right.
Depends on the weather because it does absorb an awful lot of moisture as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you make your own moulds, do you? Or
But yeah, I do. It's like the cat. That was carved by somebody probably like 15 years ago. Asked the good person to do that for me. And should be a cast iron pig down there. And what I do,
Yeah.
I've got like different size boxes in the back, or you know, with the removable size. All I do is put the pig and the cat in a box, melt this rubber down in my old slow cooker. And after 4 odd hours or so, I just pour the rubber over the top, leave it overnight to go off, and then and there you go, an imprint.
and there is the picture.
Imprint of things that we'd made, yeah, or just a cast iron plaque that was I borrowed from somebody. Little bits and pieces, yeah.
That's great. You in here like most days today?
I am.
Nandito kami sa may bakery, mga kamisis. Gutom ako bigla. Sarap ng amoy.
Do you want one of the tin ones?
Bread pudding as well if you want to try that.
What is bread pudding?
The bowl, these ones.
Goodness.
They're just.
Smells really good.
been sourdough like 1900s or would it have been?
That's a good question.
Sounds a bit good question.
Ayan. Hindi ko napigilang bumili mga kamisis. Meron akong bread pudding at saka ginger biscuit. Kasi sobrang sarap ng amoy dun sa may ano ba tawag dun? Sa may bakery. So, ayan. Okay, you can go down there. Ayan. Ayun, late na kami mga kamisis. We're a bit behind.
You can't keep getting caught in conversations.
Yeah. So, ito naman ay state office. So, ayan. Like a tax office. Pay tax here. So, ayan mga misis. Yan ang opisina. May old typewriter dyan. Oh.
It's built into the
Woods. Isn't it? Then, ayan ang office. Hindi nyo masyadong makita no kasi nagre-reflect yung ilaw. But yeah.
that wheelchair that is literally just a chair with wheels on it.
So, ayan. That's my house.
The downside is, at home, I would have a jam funnel. Yeah. Whereas here, I have not, which is a fan.
Oh, that's a shame because you need to clean all the drawers off.
Never mind.
You need a teaspoon to slice it.
I do.
Yeah.
It smells really good.
Back to the country.
Oh, sorry, afternoon.
One of those.
Bits indeed, aren't
Be madam.
It's still a narrower neck, isn't it?
Yes.
Old house. Can you sit on this one?
they? Sorry, you're in your way.
Very old house.
Yeah, you've got very
My
good
house
working
before is
conditions,
like
you know.
tiny, isn't it? Yeah. So, in mga kamisis, parang katulad din sa Pinas, ano ang kubeta nila before. Ayan o, tingnan nyo. Excuse me?
It's a pretty cold place to have a shit, I've got to say.
So, ayan, ganyan na itsura niya, oh. Ay! Ayan. Meron diyang ano, may bintana pa. Kailangan mamintana. So, yeah. Ganyan ang itsura niya, oh. Ah! Piggy!
Kitty.
Oh, yeah.
Think that you had it.
Yeah. Kitty!
Did you make this? Oh, okay.
So, it's like a cargo boat then, isn't it? So, ayan, may cargo boat dito mga kamisis. Ginamit nila yan sa river. Kasi yan yung transportation nila para maipunta yung mga cargo sa kabilang side at sa papunta sa kabilang side ng river. Napakalaki niya mga kamisis. Super. Yan. Oh, and then ayan. Sobrang laki niya. It's very big. Kung makikita nyo, kailangan naming umakyat para makita namin yung taas. And then, ganito siya kalaki mga kamisis. Ipapakita ko sa inyo. Ayan, oh. Ayan si Mister. Tapos, ayan. Ganyan kalaki. Malaki siya, diba? Ito yung classroom nila before mga kamisis. Yan ang itsura. Then, ito pa. Diba? Classroom nila before. Then, mga kamisis, may nakita kaming little cottage dito. Para siyang sinaunang bahay, mga kamisis. And then, ayan, may upuan siya dyan. Tapos, ayan, ang kanyang entrance. And then, ayan, may pagkain ng pig. And then, sabi ni Mr. ayan daw ang pig pen, bahay ng ano matawag doon? Baboy. Ayan, tingnan nyo, oh, may sarili pa talaga silang gate. And then, meron silang, ayan, meron silang kubeta dyan. Ayan, oh, toilet. And then, meron din silang kahoy dito, mga kamisis. O, ayan, o. Ayan, meron silang coal storage, wood and coal storage, isn't it? Ayan, o. Tingnan niya. Oo, kasi yan yung ginagamit nila pang sa mga heater nila. And then, ayan yung bahay.
They're eating the apples.
And then, may apples dyan, mga kamisis. Tingnan nyo. Kinakain nila yung apples. Mga manok. Ayan, oh. Mga manok. Ayan. And then, ayan, may apple tree dyan. Tingnan nyo naman, o, diba? Social ang mga manok. Apple ang kinakain. And then, ayan yung bahay. We don't know if it's open. Oh, I think it's open. Ayan. Ayan, ang daming mga apple, mga kamisis. Ayan, pasok na kami dito. Sa bahay. May scarecrow dyan, mga kamisis. Late ng bintana, diba? Ayan, may bat din sila dyan. Kailangan yung muko ni Mister. So, ayan.
That's interesting.
So just try and keep it at a constant temperature.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Can I look through here?
Absolutely, yes.
So when you leave sausages, what do you have to do? You have to.
This is their
I will
kitchen.
find out.
Kitchen. Maybe.
Yeah, or pantry.
It's just
Yeah,
food apple.
kitchen.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Lovely.
pantry.
That's obviously
It's mostly underground there.
Bay leaves. That's the bay leaves. Thyme.
but
Thyme.
I
Thyme.
could eat that myself,
Yes, indeed.
or I could let it cool
Great.
and then have it tomorrow.
Lovely.
If I left it to cook for longer and really got it into a complete slot, you could bottle it.
Right. Okay.
But you put a bit of vinegar, a bit of
Yeah,
sugar,
yeah, sure.
to help preserve it.
Yeah, absolutely.
Bedroom.
For washing up purposes.
I could do this.
Yeah, I find it very cozy.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
So what do you do with
Yeah,
the
mga damit.
surplus water? You
Ayan ang kanilang mga stuffed toy before.
Oh, okay.
Then, meron silang sa bintana dyan. Maliit na bintana. And then, ayan. Cute. So, yun mga kamisis, nakauwi na kami. Actually, kanina pa, alas 9 na ng gabi mga kamisis. Nakauwi kami siguro mga mag-aalas 5 kasi alas 4 natapos yung alas 4 nagko-close yung museum. And then, yun, umuwi na kami after nun. And, yeah. Hindi na kami dumaan kung saan-saan kasi napapagod na ako. Masakit yung paa ko kasi sa boots na suot ko. So, ayan, magagawa lang ako ng aming snack kasi hindi na kami kumain ng dinner. Bali, yung fish and chips na nabili namin sa ano. Yun na yung pinaka-dinner namin. O, yan. Wala pang 5 minutes. So, gagawa lang ako ng ano ba tawag dito? Nacho. Ano ba tawag doon? May chili bean ako dito. Ayan. Nabili ko lang to sa, I think, Tesco yata. So, ayan yung ilalagay natin sa ano. Hindi na ako nagluto ng karne. Kasi, normally, meron tong, yung parang 3 bean, ito is 3 bean chili lang. Wala na siyang mince. Hindi na ako nagluto kasi tamade. Madali ang ano na lang to. And then, lalagyan ko lang siya ng cheese. Ayan, nakapantulog na rin ako, diba? Nagutom na lang nga kami ng very, very light. Kaya, tayo ay magluluto ng ating snack. Nung ko pa to gustong gawin. Lagi ko lang nakakalimutan. Nakakalimutan ko yung cheese. And then, nakalimutan ko ang tortilla chips. So, ayan. Cheese. Ayan yung cheese natin. Gamit ko is cheddar. Ito lang kasi ang ano dito. Ang, ano bang tawag doon? Hala, paano na nga ito? Oh. Sugar bells. Ayan, nabili ko rin itong aming kudkuran. Kudkuran? Ano sabi ng kudkuran na yan? Cheese grater. Ayan, ganyan siya. And then, ipapasok mo siya dyan. Then, tsaka siya mag-grate. Ayan, ganyan. And then, ito ang pang-push. So, pagka ano na mo, ayan, ganyan ang itsura niya. May parang 3 settings yata ito. Ayan, o, diba? Cheese pa more. And then, isa pang ano ba tawag doon? Layer. Oh, diba? Tingnan nyo na, ma'am. Nag-grate na siyang very, very light. Then, ima-microwave ko lang siya. Madalian lang ba? Ayan. Mapawi lang ang aming gutom. Kasi nanonood din kami ng series. Ayan. Then, tsaka natin gara ng cheese. Lagay pa natin yung isang yung kaperaso na ito. Kakarampot na ito. Yan. Yan. Nag-enjoy talaga kami kanina sa mga kamisis. Sa pinuntahan naming museum. Sabi namin, gawin natin every Friday. Dahil si Mr. ay meron pa siyang holiday na kailangan na niyang gamitin. Hanggang na lang, parang meron pa yata siyang 4 yata or 3 na kailangan niyang gamitin within this year. Sabi niya is, so ang gagawin niya from now on is mag-half day siya every Friday. And then, doon kami kasi, meron pa akong isang Friday na day off next week. So, we'll probably go somewhere kasi nga, autumn is our like favorite season talaga kasi maganda ang panahon. Although hindi lumalabas yung araw. Teka lang, ipapasok ko lang to tsaka tayo magkwentuhan, ha. So ayan, although maganda yung araw, walang ano ba tawag doon? Walang araw masyado. Hindi nagpapakita si Haring Araw from this simula nung naging October. Hindi na siya nagpakita, mga kamisi, saglit na saglit lang. So, palaging gloomy ang panahon, like gray sky, ganyan. Pero pagka talagang lumabas yung araw and then autumn, ay super ganda. As in talaga kasi golden leaves ang mga dinadaanan namin. And also, kanina din nung, nung nasa daan lang kami, hindi ko na kasi na-video kasi tinamad. Hindi mainit, hindi gaanong malamig, and then yung mga puno, alam mo yun, sobrang ganda ng kulay ng mga puno. Sobrang ganda, kaya gusto namin to. And then also, maganda din yung magi-spring pa lang, kasi doon naman siya talagang sunny, and then yung weather is maganda. Kaso nga lang, hindi kami makakapag, alam mo yun, maggawa ng something sa spring kasi may holiday ang mga bata. So, next week is, may pasok pa rin sila, so pwede pa kaming maggala. At katulad kanina, wala masyadong tao doon sa pinuntahan naming museum, which is maganda talaga, as in, na sarili mo yung, halos sarili mo yung lugar. And then, yun, next week, hindi ko pa alam kung saan kami pupunta. But anyway, dito ko na i-end ang aking vlog, mga kamisi. Sana ay nag-enjoy kayo sa ating pagbabalik sa 1900s. Victorian time, mga kamisi. So, ayan, naka-outfit ako, diba? But anyway, hindi ako masyadong nag-video. Binidyo ko talaga yung mga lugar. So, ayan, maraming salamat, mga kamisis. And I will see you again on my next vlog. Bye! Mag-iingat tayong lahat!